Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mehdi and this is the sixth video in my educational series. In this video, I mostly focus on professional editing within the attribute table, and the end we briefly talk about one of the key components of visualization, which is labeling. Let's get started. Okay guys, in this part I'm gonna talk about attribute table and explain about some item like how can I add or delete field, or how can I calculate some function like area and like this. For reaching this purpose, I examine, for example, this polygon layer. Turn off the other layer. Okay, this is my polygon layer. Okay, open the attribute table. Notice before editing in our attribute table, we should enable the editing. For doing this purpose, go to the edit, enable edit. Just now, our attribute table is ready for any editing. Imagine for first step, I'm gonna delete this field. Okay, right click on this, delete. For next step, I'm gonna add the new field to the attribute table. For doing this item, click on the add, choose the name, choose the type of that, double. Short is for a small integer number, long is bigger one of the integer number, float is for decimal with a low accuracy, and double is decimal with high accuracy, and I prefer to the double. And text and date, and every of this category has a special identify, and just now I use a double. Save. Okay, right click, go to the calculate geometry, set the layer, choose the name of the field, and what is our goal? Area. Choose the unit, square, for example, meter. Apply. Okay, our area related to each polygon is calculated. For example, okay, save. Our attribute table is saved with this situation. Map. See, like this. Okay, we calculate the our area related to each polygon. For this step, let me ask you two questions. Imagine in this field, I'm gonna replace all of the industrial with the company and all of the blank with the no text. How can I do this? For doing this purpose, we should use of the calculate field. But first of all, enable the editing. Okay, guys, remember for calculate field, for doing this kind of the changing, we have a basic pattern like this: new value, if condition, else original value. And for our example, we're gonna replace industrial with the company. So we should use of this function. go to the software, click on it, calculate value, open the calculate value, set the type with the this function, apply. All of the industrial change to the company, okay? And for other purpose, like this structure, okay? Like. Okay. All of the blank is changed to the no text. Okay, let's talk a little bit more about editing attribute table, but based on our strategy. Before of any procedure, we usually start with question. Now, what is our question? Imagine we're gonna create a new field and copy all of the field of this on the new field. How can I do this? For example, name, choose the type, text, create the, okay, it's created. For copy all of this field on the new field, go first of all enable editing, calculate field. All of the name field should be equal with the type field. Apply. Okay, it's done. Save. But I'm gonna explain a little bit more about what is the difference between exclamation and the quotation in the field calculator. In a formula structure in field calculator, we use of the exclamation to refer to the specific field, and we use of the quotation to refer to a specific text value in the attribute table. And as you discussed about two examples in previous steps in our lesson, and other in this step, I'm gonna a little bit talk about a new component of visualization. As I mentioned in the roadmap, one of the components of the visualization is a labeling, and just now I'm gonna show you one of the simple way to visualize polygon. Right click on the on our layer in content pane and click the label. All of the label is visualized, but based on which field we can check it in the labeling. We can choose name. All of that is on. Okay, and in this box you can change the text and organize the text with the size of the polygon. Alright guys, let's wrap it up. Don't forget to practice at the end of the tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and for all of your support. Don't forget to subscribe and feel free to leave any question or thought in the comments. I'll make sure to respond. Stay tuned for the next video. See you soon.